Okay, here's how to find old chats in Claude AI. Alright, so first of all, just open your Claude, whether it's on desktop or web browser. Alright, now go on left side on top, click on the sidebar option right over here. Okay, now click on chats, and here you can see all chat you have done with Claude. Now, if you want to search for something specific, click on the search icon, and here type whatever you want. For example, I want to search for keyword. So as you can see, the chats in which this keywords are appearing over here. Alright, if you want to delete some chats, click on select chats, select these chats, click on delete, and these will be deleted. So that's how you can find old chats in Claude AI. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.